Hi everybody, I'm here for introducing you our Q50, our entry-level grinder. Knowing we are obsessed by granulometric profile, here's our proposal for low consumption coffee shop and for who wants to bring into his home the professional grinder. It's got huge feature, 330 watt motor and 54 millimeter flat burst. Food-friendly treatment for guaranteeing you an extra high quality of the coffee ground. It is built with extremely high specs for professional standards, so delivering the best performance possible for such a small grinder.